Pip install Mysql-Python fails with environment error, mysql_config not found. This is the error I get. What can I do to resolve this?
It seems mysql_config is missing on your system, or the installer could not find it. Be sure mysql_config is really installed. For example, on Debian to Ubuntu you must install the package. Maybe the mysql_config is not in your path. It will be the case when you compile by yourself. The MySQL suite update for recent versions of Debian to Ubuntu, as of 2018, it is.
In Mac OS, I simply run this in terminal to fix. This is the quickest fix I found. It adds it to the path, but I think you're better off adding it permanently, i.e. add it to /etc/paths, if you plan to install Mysql-Python in another environment. Tested in OS X Mountain Lion.
Seemed to do the trick. There may be various answers for the above issue. Below is an aggregated solution. For Ubuntu. For CentOS.
If what is the channel isn't lying and trying